ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kum gajing Pynkhreh ke 6 Meghalaya Games ke Bathumu wan pelong hajuai wa ejer house nam arajar hausan. U Deputy Commissioner jangka West Giant Hills District hakar pu atrik unaitung arajar hausau. Lolom na gajing alang ye kitna terekam bapher ke sarkar jilla ke badan hapo ke West Giant Hills District. Kinong mi khmat negi jaka pule kinong yalam shnong kinong yalam bagi dekhot negi senjuk yale kai janga district bagi dekhot janga Meghalaya State Olympic Association ringkat ke jing sakhilang jing mi khmat negi tran yale kai sports ke sarkar jilla nalor kiwe hai ke jing lang blapenya du Deputy Commissioner ba BS Solia dan langru President janga Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba GF Kharshiyeng baru Assistant Directorate janga tran Sports and Youth Affair uba PB War Nombri. Hakan ingat jing alang laikran sani halo ki jaka yele kai kumju ki jaka sa ke jing penpoi ye ki jing bam ke jing pen biang ka boarding ke jing pen bet ya galet kawan halo ki we krangan pen tikna ke jing le kai ke long ka biat bet yai renti. Hakan ke lempong yele kai ke badan apsantli ki jing le kai lekmi linti penishim benta pelaksana jarngun kinang yele kai ber ki official.
It's a matter of great honor that the government has aptly decided to have the next edition 2025 Meghalaya Games here in July, as I mentioned, and perhaps 2026 will be another district. So we put our heads together, we put our cooperative powers together to ensure that the Meghalaya Games 2025 January next year will be a resounding success. We keep that in mind always. To have that in mind and to make sure that it becomes a resounding success. Of course, there will be lots of groundwork that we have to accomplish, we have to cover. We have 6 months, we have exactly 6 months, but everything should be in place within 5 months, so as to say, or maybe even before that. So all the technical aspects, we continue have meetings, if not a general big meeting like this, but particular meetings with concern line departments, with concern localities, with concern whoever that we need to call. Perhaps it will be just a phone call in the morning, and a meeting will happen in the evening, say by 12, by 1. So we'll have to be prepared for that. We'll set up a designated WhatsApp group for the purpose also. But as we proceed, we get to learn more about the details and what entails and what lies before us.
Capacity here is more. So we have already called for details from the associations, and they have already, I think Thani will also explain a little later, that I think the number is around 4,500 as of today, which may be scaled down, I don't know, depend on SSCM also giving their feedback.
Who have the halls and the grounds to kindly allow us to use the facilities so that we can conduct this game. The government is helping in everything, whatever infra has to be improved in your hall. The government under the sports engineering will do the needful. But we need your cooperation. This is the prestige of the Jaintia people. As Tura has done is successful, we hope that Jaintia, one of the loving sports loving district, we seek your cooperation to help make this game a huge success. Thank you.
Preparation for the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 that's going to be held here in July next year. All of us, from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, working president, general secretary are here, to the state sports department, assistant directors here. We all discussed in depth with the light departments and representatives of the different localities and different stakeholders to ensure that the games are going to be held successfully and in a seamless and very showcasing every aspect of the cultural aspect and the touristy aspect of the district as well.